Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use templates in CapCut. Let's begin. Using the CapCut templates is a great way to speed up your editing process and create professional looking videos with minimal effort, because templates in CapCut are pre-designed projects that include transitions, effects, text, and more. Of course, you can simply add your own content to replace the placeholders. And basically, there are two ways to access the templates in CapCut. Number one is when you go to their official website, there is a section in the homepage, and then you can find the templates from there. For example, I'm going to be choosing this mobile phone SMS. You would notice you will be forwarded to this section. All right, mobile phone SMS interface style photo dump by Lila. And the aspect ratio is already included in this information. You see, it has like original aspect of 16 by 19. You can use this template right here if you want. All we have to do is click this button. It's very easy. Click that and click on OK. You can check your email on the desktop or laptop to start your creation journey now. Let's click on OK. We can simply hover to that. That's one option if you're using the online. Now, the next option is I want you to click your CapCut app, because here we can choose and use the templates in mobile very easily. All right, similarly to the web, all I have to do is go to the home page right here and then go to the template section on the bottom part corner. Let's do that. As you can see, if you want to use this template, all I have to do now, and then we will be forwarded to the section. You can add your own elements obviously here. All right, and then place the photo right here. Now on the music, if you want to keep the original, you have multiple options. Go to original, mountain, a day in the life, young, happy. And if you want to add a sound of your own, just click on this option right here. Okay, and then click the export button. You will be forwarded to save to device with CapCut watermark, or save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark. So I'm going to choose the first one right here. It's going to be exporting, but please do not close your CapCut or lock your screen while doing so. Takes a little while. Once you're happy, you can simply click the share to TikTok or share to other platforms here. It's very easy using templates in CapCut. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.